What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And I just wanted to put this video out to talk about the crypto market and the amazingly green market that we've seen today. Yes, we've seen a lot of things, Bitcoin included, that has come back down. But one thing that has moved a little bit more than some of the rest, than most of the rest, you would say XRP is one of those. We have some high hopes for XRP. As you know, I talk about XRP a lot on this channel, whether I believe it's going to go to a massively high level at certain times, and I talk about the longevity of that and how long it's going to take to get there, as well as the short-term success that we could see within it and what is to happen at those levels. So anyways, let's talk about where XRP is right now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. You can check out my link for Twitter, check out my link for Patreon down there as well. Also, if you guys are interested in checking out my link for BTCC, if you're interested in leverage trading, this is a platform that I utilize quite a bit. So feel free to check out the link. It's at the top of the description. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. You can also get extra bonuses up to $10,055, as well as 40% lower trading fees. So if you guys are interested in either trading outright, leverage trading, or just dummy trading, you can find a way to do all that stuff, practice, makes perfect, and then you could be able to make a ton of money in the crypto market, especially before altcoin season truly happens. Feel free to check out my link at the top of the description if you guys are interested in all of that. Now, when we have talked about XRP, the last time we talked about XRP, that was more about what is going on right now. XRP wasn't really going well, right? We saw XRP come all the way down to the low $2 level, right? And a lot of people are convinced that I only talk about it when it's positive. No, these are just the videos that you see because it goes out to more people because XRP is running at those times. Typically, people don't want to hear about anything that's dropping. They want to hear about something that has a ton of FOMO in it and a ton of positivity. Not really the negativity, even though news is completely different. Everybody wants to hear about what's happening that's negative, but not really about the positive. So this is kind of a change up when it comes to, financial topics. But XRP is definitely seeing some major movement today, and it's always great to see that. Being a larger holder of XRP, I would consider myself, I believe I'm in the top 1% of XRP holders, which sounds more impressive than how much I'm actually holding, right? Because, if I'm like, 200,000 sounds amazing to anybody. But when you look at it and you go, okay, some people are holding 1 million or holding 500,000 or whatever, you start to look at it and you're like, I'm just a small fish in this sea, right? But in reality, it does have a large impact. The last video that I created related to XRP was hovering around the fact that 2,601 XRP could be a significant amount and could create massive change in your life just by having that much XRP. And hopefully you bought early on. But let's take a look at where XRP is right now, and then we'll dive into some more conversations that we can have on XRP. So currently, XRP is up by 8% today. It's at a $2.67 mark. We're seeing it again above a $150 billion market cap, as well as the volume at about $9 billion. Now, what's crazy is with the movement that we are seeing, we're not necessarily seeing a major uptick in volume, right? This is still a lot of volume. $9 billion is a lot of volume, but compared to the day prior, the last 24 hours, you're down by 11%. So in a day to where we didn't really see a major push, right? We did see some movement because XRP did come all the way down quite a bit. You're looking at, 11% less volume. Volume to market cap ratio is 5.7%. You can see we're still at about 57.5 billion coins in circulating supply. Now, what's great about these numbers that I'm showing you before we get into any other detail, if we go back to CoinMarketCap, the full page, you can see the overall market is up by 5%. That means that XRP is up higher than the overall market, which is absolutely fantastic to see and to hear, and whatever other senses you want to use. It's great. And if we also look at the list of cryptocurrencies, XRP is again above Tether and now is again the third largest cryptocurrency on the market. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Now, if this was the lineup before we started talking about ETFs, I guarantee that XRP would have been in every single person's mouth when it came to ETFs. However, XRP wasn't up to this level. You saw that Bitcoin, it was like Bitcoin, Ethereum, then you had Tether, you had Solana, BNB, and then you had XRP there. So XRP was in that like sixth spot, meaning that it was lower than XRP, it was lower than Solana, it was lower than BNB, and it was, a lot of people believe that we weren't even going to see it break above BNB. And when I say a lot of people, I mean outside of the community. But now you have XRP at this level, and there's nothing but conversations about the ETF that could happen. And this is big, right? Because, again, like I've said in the ETF video, XRP ETF can create consistency, can create longevity, can create a ton of strength for this project and for, honestly, the crypto market in general, right? Same thing that Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs can do, but more importantly, an all-encompassing ETF can have a better, image of that. Now, XRP in the last 7 days is up by 16%. Again, in the last 24 hours, up by 7%. We are seeing it drop a little bit in the last hour. It's down by 1% because it has moved up comparable to a lot of other things. But again, we're at $152 billion. That's absolutely fantastic to see. If we look at history, again, in the last month, it's up by 10%. In the last year, it's up by 361%. This is kind of, if you're looking at it, a bigger picture item, you can see that it looks like it's creating more of a bull flag where this is the consolidation point, and we could be seeing a larger pickup from here to the $4, $5 price point, and even further as time goes on. Understand where we are right now. We haven't even experienced altcoin season yet. We haven't experienced the movement of money, and let's just call it transfer of wealth from Bitcoin to altcoins, meaning that XRP will get a lot of volume that flows through it from Bitcoin and from Bitcoin holders, Bitcoin investors, people that invested early into Bitcoins, selling off some profit, whatever, right? You're going to see that transition. You're going to see that trickle down to Ethereum, to XRP, to Solana, BNB, and AVAX, and all of those others. So when we see that, what's the expectation for XRP's price? For me, my expectation is I want to see it at a level of $5 very, very soon. But that's not the top point, right? I want to see it at levels of $5, $10, $20, $30, $50. And as we can see those levels that are hit, I'm taking profit as time goes on because I invested at such a low level. Am I selling everything? Absolutely not. I have 10,000 that's sitting there forever, and I have a good chunk that I'm looking to sell as we hit certain price levels, but then still, as we find ways to maybe pull back a little bit, I'll find levels to invest. All right, so XRP looks good right now. XRP is back. We're seeing it up at the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap level. And I'm excited for what's to come, right? If we look at technical analysis, we can look at a lot of things and tell us, show an image of what we want to see. So again, it's not about that. It's more about what XRP and what Ripple and what cryptocurrency is going to do for this world that will kind of propel us to that next level. So I can't wait for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.